You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. You need $100 and the ability to not quit when it feels pointless. Most people don't fail because they don't have money. They fail because nothing exciting happens in the beginning, and boring is easy to abandon. Picture this. It's a random evening, nothing special. You're scrolling, thinking about getting your life together financially again. But this time, instead of planning, you move $100 into an investment account. You hesitate because it feels small, almost irrelevant. You do it anyway. Next day, nothing changed. A week later, still nothing. So you check the account again and again. Not because it's growing, but because you're waiting to feel like you did something important. You don't. Month 1 turns into month 3. $100, $100, $100. Same routine, same lack of excitement. This is where most people quietly stop. Not dramatically, they just skip 1 month, then another, and then it's over. But let's say you don't stop. Month 6 hits. You've invested $600. It doesn't feel impressive. It barely feels real. Then 1 month gets tight, and you think, I'll skip this one. But you don't. You invest anyway. In that moment, that's the first real win. 1 year in, you've put in $1,200. The account grew a little, nothing crazy, but something bigger happened. You became consistent. You stopped negotiating with yourself every month, and that's something most people never master. Then, the market drops hard. Your account shrinks. It feels like you made a mistake, like maybe you should pull out before it gets worse. But you've built a habit now, so instead of reacting, you continue. $100 goes in, right on schedule, no debate. Months later, the market recovers. In those bad months, they ended up mattering the most. 5 years in, now it's real, not life-changing, but solid, visible, undeniable. You didn't get lucky. You didn't time anything perfectly. You just didn't stop. And here's what changed. You still live your life. You still spend money. But now you're intentional. You understand where your money goes, and more importantly, where it doesn't go anymore. Around year 10, something shifts. Your money starts working for you. Not dramatically, but enough to notice. It finally clicks. You're no longer doing this alone. Time is now contributing. Decades pass, the numbers grow, but the real return was never just the money. It was the identity you built, someone who shows up, even when it's boring, even when it feels small. Most people are waiting for more money, for the right time, for a better plan, but time doesn't wait. It either compounds or it disappears. Start small, make it automatic. Don't overthink it. $100 this month. That's all it takes to begin.